Behold the story of time, interwoven with threads of wisdom from every corner of the earth. Imagine the vibrant deserts, lush forests, serene mountains, and flowing rivers. They all speak of an eternal truth. But these truths aren't merely seen, they're felt deep in the heart. True sight, my friends, lies not in the eyes, but in the soul. And it is in that vision we begin our journey today. A journey into ancient wisdom, where humanity finds its deepest connections in its diversity. Let us delve into the ancient words of Chief Seattle, the great Native American leader. His voice, echoing through time, carries a profound message. The earth does not belong to man. Man belongs to the earth. These words are not just a statement, but a vision, one that sees the interconnectedness of all life. The earth and humanity, indivisible, are tied together in a bond of mutual respect and care. Imagine this vision as a guiding lamp, illuminating the path where spirit and truth collide. In Australia, we meet another mystical vision from the ancient Aboriginal culture. Their beliefs are deeply rooted in the Dreamtime, a spiritual concept connecting them to the land, the rocks, and the stars themselves. An elder tells his people, in the Dreamtime, the stories of the earth are sung, the truth whispered to those who listen closely, not with the ears, but with their spirit. Imagine gazing at the evening sky, understanding that every star has its own story, every song its own purpose, and in every breath of wind, a whisper from ancestors who walked this earth long ago. What if you could see as they saw, not with eyes but with the spirit? How profoundly would that change the way we treat the world around us? Spanning further across the world, we find profound wisdom within the teachings of Islam. Imam al-Ghazali, a profoundly respected scholar, recalls the words of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The most beloved people to Allah are those who are most beneficial to others. This, too, is a vision, not one RGB-colored or inked in gold, but a vision born of kindness, compassion, and empowerment for those around you. As if looking into a mirror of our own souls, we are reminded that loving humanity in its entirety is the truest and purest sight of all. Each action, each word, has the potential to ripple across the seas of mankind, bringing peace and hope where once there was none. Now, journey with me further eastward, where the teachings of the Buddha light the way toward enlightenment. Seated in the calm of a temple, the Buddha offers wisdom. We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. His message resonates deeply. Imagine a world where our thoughts shape not brick and stone, but love and understanding. The Buddha reminds us that the key to unlocking clarity, insight, and peace is not found outside ourselves, but within. It's a light that has no match, one that flickers only in the stillness of wisdom and contemplation. And so, we bring together these glimpses of ancient wisdom, each culture bound by a common thread, a vision that transcends the physical, that unites hearts beyond borders and beliefs. This is the inner vision, an insight that breaks through the barriers of sight and reaches the land of truth within us all. Across every tradition, wisdom whispers the same secret. The real vision isn't with your eyes, but a feeling born in the heart. A strength that grows in compassion, a truth that flourishes in unity, and a love that knows no bounds. What if we embraced this inner sight in our own lives? What if, like an ancient map guiding us to peace, unity, and respect for all living things, we became truly human? Perhaps then, humanity would cease to fragment and begin to unite, not despite our differences, but because of them. For we are, indeed, the salt of the earth. Each of us a unique and integral piece of the puzzle of life.